Look at this. This is our large oak tree in front of our house just after Hurricane Milton. You can see that the branch is broken off there. That was rotted previously, and it looks like that one's about to break too. But this one that fell down is hung right there. And I'm going to have to do some thinking about how to get this thing down safely. That branch is about 12 inches in diameter, so I'm estimating that thing probably weighs about 1,000 pounds or so, and something that is going to be challenging to get down. A lot of the weight could come straight down, so what I may do is just toss a tow rope around this thing and get a winch to try to pull it down from the side. Here's my hung branch. This is a tow strap. It connects to a come-along winch, then to a D-shackle, and a elastic hauling strap, into a tree. So, let's see what this thing's going to do. Well, that seemed easy enough. Let's see if we can pull some more. That's interesting. It seems to be stuck even more now. Okay, now I reposition the tow strap a little bit higher on that branch. Let's see what this does. Yay.